Preparing a garden bed can seem like an intimidating task. You want an abundant landscape of beautiful plants, vegetables, and flowers, but you just don't know where to begin. Fortunately, these helpful tips can help you get started. Stay tuned to find out how to prepare a garden bed in 3 steps. When preparing a garden bed, the first step is to pick a location with plenty of sun. However, if you can't find a sunny spot, you can always grow veggies that only require 2 to 4 hours of sunlight each day. Vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, broccoli, and peas can still grow in partial sun. Once you've found the ideal spot, it's important to ensure that there aren't any utility lines underneath your designated area. You don't want to accidentally sever any lines or pipes when digging with a shovel. Contact your local government and electrical supplier to verify that the area you've selected is safe. Raised garden beds are also a great alternative to digging below the ground. Finally, it's time to measure and mark your location. You can use spray paint or stakes to mark the area for your garden bed. Consider how many plants you want to grow and ensure that they have enough space. Spacing will depend upon the vegetables you are growing. The next step involves choosing the ideal soil for your plants. Plants and vegetables need soil that is rich in organic matter and nutrients. Try to also avoid using low-quality topsoil. If you're unsure how good your soil is, you can find soil testing tips on thefarmersalmanac.com. Now it's time to remove all existing vegetation from where your garden bed will sit. You may not be able to remove every weed, but that's okay. Multiple layers of wet newspaper can be used to act as a weed barrier, followed by a thick layer of compost. This method is completely organic, and the newspaper will decompose over several months. Once all vegetation is dead, grab a shovel to turn the soil over. Make sure that the soil is damp enough so that it can be easily worked over. Just be sure the soil isn't too wet or it can be clumpy and hard to work with. A good rule of thumb is to dig about 12 inches down when turning the soil over. Once the soil is turned over, add a 2-inch thick layer of compost and mix it into the soil. Then rake the garden bed to make a level surface and remove any twigs and rocks. Be sure to remove any weeds that may be exposed when turning and add a 3-inch layer of mulch. While preparing a garden bed can seem intimidating, following these steps will help you achieve your goal. All you need is to pick your location, prepare your soil, and make the garden bed. For more gardening tips, check out our other helpful blog posts at sunnydazedecor.com. Now, go outside, enjoy the nice weather, and earn your green thumb. My name is Josh, and thank you very much for watching.